Score natin, 51-39 in favor of Red Team.
Number 7. Sablay. Number 03. Number 03. Rebound. Pass to number 03. Number 2 by 03. 69. 47.
Tambak na kayo.
Number 23. Ruby Cabo. Number 23. Pass to number 9. Number 2. Salam! Score natin 71-47. Lumalaki na po ang kalabangan ng Red Team. 71. Same ball. Number 18. Number 18. Hasa. Supply. Number 18 pa rin. Out of bounds. Number 9. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Number 8. They take the shoot. Ready. Number 7. Number 7. Steal by number 9. Number 9. Tumira na 3. 76-77.
Tambak, tambak.
Number 28. Tumira na 3. Supply. Number 23. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 9. Tumira ulit na 3. Supply. Number 28. Number 28. Good for 2. With number 28. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 25. Back to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 8. Good for 3 by number 8. Number 7. Tumira na 3. Supply. Rebound by number 8. Supply. Number 22. Number 28. Look for 2 by number 28. 51-79. Okay. Number 9. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 8. Supply. Rebound. Pinasa ay number 7. To number 19. Good for 2. To number 19. 3 minutes. Number 65. Nice steal. Number 7. Good for 2 by number 7. Number 9. Number 9 to 19. Same ball. Substitution there.
Score 55-79. Third quarter. Oras natin ay 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Substitution. Foul by number 22. First personal foul. 13 foul. Number 22. Foul. Foul, number 19. Third personal foul. Second personal foul. Supply, number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Oy. Number 65. Supply. Number 28. Number 28. Sinalaksak. Supply. Number 7. Number 7. David Cabo. Take the shoot. Number Number 0, and line, rebound by number 22. Number 28, pass through. Good for 2. Oras natin, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 7, pass to number 25 and 19. Back to number 7. Number 7, 10 seconds. Steal. Number 27. Number 27. 59-79. Oras natin, 55 seconds. Pinasa. Back to number 25, tumira ng 3. Sablay, number 19. Uy, nagkawalaan. Sablay pa rin. 35 seconds. Number 25. Number 65, good for 2. Number 65, 81-55. Number 27, good for 2. Wala naman tayong shot clock. 20 seconds. Number 0, bring the ball. Tumira, traveling violation. 9 seconds. Run time tayo, run time. Wala naman tayong oras.
End of third quarter. Score natin 61-81. Aray ko.